Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is that here I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix this. The first thing is that you have to check whether your internet connection is okay or not. So here you have to check it, and here you can see this is just, you need to off once and on it, and then just go back, and then here you have to go to your Play Store or App Store on your device, and then here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, after searching for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram. Here you can see they're asking for an update. Make sure to update the Instagram app. Okay, after updating, you just need to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to just scroll down and go to apps. Here, after going to apps, you can see app management, or it will be written as app list. So just go here, and then here you'll get all the application which has been already installed to your phone. Now here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, and then click on it, and then here you can see storage usage. Simply you need to click on storage usage and then clear the data. Okay, after doing this, what you need to do, you have to check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you can do is that it's very pretty simple. You just need to delete the Instagram from your device and then reinstall it, log in it. Your problem will be absolutely solved. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.